Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get to and how to use the community feature for your YouTube channel, so stay tuned.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long.
If you want to become a full-time YouTube gamer and you think you have the drive and passion that it takes to get there, then my new book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness, is the perfect book for you. This book will teach you everything you need to know, from starting your channel the right way so that you can get more views and subscribers, to turning your channel into a business. Click on the link in the description or the link in the card in the top right hand corner of the video to find out more information right now. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better. And I got a question, I don't even know how long ago, very long ago, someone asking me how to use the community feature when I, started using it. And I did do a video that had a bit of misinformation, and I didn't do the mobile component of the video, so I just decided that I'll do it all today. And basically, you need 10,000 subscribers to be able to access this. But when you do have 10,000 subscribers, all you need to do is go to your homepage and then scroll to community, and then you can use this on your desktop. You can post a video, you can post like one of your videos, you can post someone else's videos, you can do all that sort of stuff. You can do a poll and ask questions. I believe you can have more than 4 options. I think you can get up to 5 or something. And can we stop that? And you can also post images and stuff like that. So that's a lot of stuff that you can do on here. I like to use it for the poll feature and posting my sign up links and telling people I'm going to be streaming. And I haven't really been using it recently because I've been super busy working on the book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness, so I haven't really had the time to get around to this. But basically, that's how you use it. You go to your main page. So that's like www.youtube.com/Jay Cartere, and then you go to the community tab. Let's go to the home tab so you see how it looks. Now this is the home tab. Community tab will be right there. It used to be called discussion, now it's community, and you can post all your stuff over there if you've got 10,000 subscribers. So let me show you how to do it on the mobile now. So I just recorded this on my phone, but then realized that I wasn't actually recording. So let's do it again. You need to go to the YouTube app, not the YouTube creators app or the YouTube, what is it called? Video creators app or whatever. That is not the app you need to go to. You need to go to the actual YouTube app. Then click on the top right hand corner and then go to my channel. And then basically you just go to community from here. And then you can actually do polls or post a picture over here, but you cannot currently add videos. Hopefully they add that in an upcoming feature. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If you got any questions or any other tutorials that you'd like me to make, please leave those in the comment section down below. Also, if you want a channel review, you want me to review your channel, please leave that in the comment section down below as well. And let me know what your channel is about, what your biggest struggle on YouTube is, and what kind of channel you've got. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next YouTube guide. If you want to get more views on your videos and get your videos discovered on YouTube, then you should download this free Video SEO Explained ebook, linked in the description below and in the card in the top right hand corner of this video. You can also find it at growonyoutube.com/guide. You can use this Video SEO Explained ebook to get your videos ranked on YouTube, which will bring more views to your channel and help you grow. This is also a free chapter from my new book, A Gamer's Guide to Greatness. So don't miss out on this free resource at growonyoutube.com/guide. Let's get to work and be better.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.